Thank you for waiting, ladies and gentlemen. We've invited first class, now we're inviting executive platinum, emerald, sapphire, and ruby.
He's making a list and checking it twice.
Finish him. Come on. Come on. Go to bed. Good girl. Go to bed. Good girl. Indy, come on. Skeeter. Come on. Cleo. Cleo, right here. Don't hide behind, no, don't hide behind the leg. Well, goodbye. What are you doing? What kind of noises are you making? Unfortunately, that's where I'm going to end this video. I'm not going to add the Bubinga trim because it dawned on me that I should hold off on all of the trim pieces for all of the office furniture until I get my computer desk done, because the top of the computer desk is going to be a solid panel of Bubinga, and I want to make sure that I use the best grain, the best visually pleasing pieces for the top of the computer desk, and use whatever I have left over for all of the smaller trim pieces. So the dogs, I've already put them on here. They seem to like it. It's just a dog bed. They don't really care so long as they have a soft place to sleep. They've already dirtied it up quite a bit. And as far as the design itself, this is something that I've been looking forward to for a while because it allows me to still keep the dog bed in my office, but utilize the footprint that the dog bed takes up better for the actual, use of an office. I can still use this to work as needed. It's high. I wanted it to be bar height. That way the dogs have no restrictions down below. And then also I prefer to do like paperwork and stuff like that standing up at a nice reasonable elbow height. That way I'm not sitting down and bent over. So I like it. It's going to be very welcomed in my office. So that's it for this video. If you want to stay up to date with all of the projects ongoing with the office renovation or office remodel, then check out my website, jacecustomcreations.com, and sign up for my email newsletter. That way you'll be notified of everything. And speaking of my email newsletter or my website, I publish a lot more stuff on my website than what you see on this main YouTube channel. So if you want more woodworking content, be sure to go on over there and check out my email newsletter. So that's it. I also have shirts and hats for sale on my website if you want to check those out as well. You guys take care. Have a great day, and I will talk to you in the next video. You guys don't care at all about the bed, do you? I worked hard to make this bed, and you guys don't even care. See, that's okay, because you'll like it when it's in there. Yes. Okay, who wants to go outside? You want to go outside? Why do you grunt? Let's go outside.